Okay, so this is a 15mm elbow and 15mm copper tube. Now, good tip here is to take your elbow, line up your copper tube. Now, all you plumbers who are watching this, firstly, if you know how to do it, you shouldn't be watching it. Secondly, there are loads of people who don't have a clue. So I know this is very obvious and basic, but let's just go with it. That's where your tube's going to end. So why not put a line just, there you go, just at the end of the opening here, so that when you put your tube in, if that disappears, you know you are set. Okay, so let's try that. Now there's a rubber in there, I don't know if you can see that, and there's a little jaws that grip it. Now it's a very simple thing. Offer the tube in, there'll be some resistance because you're pushing through that rubber, which creates a watertight seal. Push, 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 and as you see, this goes in, there we go. We can see our line is, take this out, see our line is just outside, so it's fully seated. So put that in. Now once it's in, tighten this little nut up, that will just stop any moving around. Actually, this can move like this. Don't worry, it's still watertight, and if you have something that you're tightening up at the end and the pipe moves, within reason, don't worry, but it can move a little bit. Now, let's put another one in there. There we go. Bang. I won't bother doing a mark. I know that's in, you get the feel of it, and then you tighten that up. So that's an elbow joint with a copper tube and speedfit fitting. To release it, very straightforward. Undo this nut again. See this grip, this collar here. Push that back in, hold that with your fingers. You got that? Hold that with your fingers and twist and pull the pipe out. And we're done.